Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 ways that I've elevated my home. All these things I found on Amazon, right? Of course, we're going to start off with the beautiful drapery. Second, like I mentioned in the previous video, I'm going to change out the bulb on my lamp. And finally, I'm going to go ahead and style up my coffee table in my front room to get ready for the fall season. So get something to drink and let's get into the video. I'm in my living room. Let me put you over here. And okay, my knees are like literally hurting. Dang. Old age is brutal. Okay, so I'm in the living room right here and I have my coffee table right here, which is glass. And I just wanted something like really, really heavily styled. And the reason why I wanted heavily styled because I think this space needs some depth. And I'm going to use the coffee table to bring some depth and just coziness in, along with some other stuff that I have coming that's behind, that's back ordered. Oh, let me see if can you see me down here? Okay, this is much better. Okay, so right now on my coffee table, I have this vase right here, which I do love, and it has some fresh flowers in it. Then I also have some coasters. I have those. I remember I showed you these in the video before, these onyx bowl. And then I have, of course, the good old, these 2 coffee table books. But the issue that I'm having is that everything in this space seems very white. So I want to add like a nice pop light. This is good. And I have this homebody book by Joanne Gaines, very neutral. And I have this candle thing right here. So some of the things that I've purchased from TJ Maxx recently was I bought these very moody faux flowers. Then honestly, I was honestly influenced by this book. Right? This book is so beautiful. I was first watching Monroe Steele, and she spoke about getting this book as a part of her housewarming gift. And then my friend Frugal But Cheap was talking about it. And I'm like, okay, it's official, I need to get it. Then I opened the book. And I see all this chocolateness, this blackness, this richness, this melanated vibe. And I'm like, need to have it. And I'm on a hunt to be more intentional to buy black interior designer book or black artist book, just to have that in my house, right? And then I was talking to my friend Karen, and she was like, I was talking to her, and she was like, Natty, I bought this book, but what about if we cut some of the pictures out and frame them? And I was like, girl, that's really, really smart. Oh my goodness. It says right here, where you sit when you're, where you sit when you're old show where you stood in youth. Don't quite fully understand that, but it probably have some deep meaning. Oh, listen to this. A diamond doesn't lose its value due to lack of admiration. When I tell you that is true, that is so true. I think sometimes, speaking for me, sometimes when you don't get the acknowledgement that you deserve, you feel like you're failing, but you're not failing. You're still that girl. You're still that superstar, right? It doesn't change. If someone don't see the value in a diamond, the value is still there, because eventually somebody will find it and know the value of it. Okay, that's it. Look at this. This book needs to be opened up. I was gonna cover it. No, this one needs to be opened. Okay, so because the circle table, normally when I'm sitting at a table, right, I like to have like different groupings on the table when it's rectangular or square. But in this instance, it's circle, but you still have to have some sort of grouping. So I like to have books, a nice stack, maybe candle, some sort of object, flowers, some sort of unique shape, something. So with that in mind, I just play around until I get it right. Another aspect of styling any space is being able to rearrange, step back, allow it to breathe, and figure out what you need to add or take away from the space. Most of us, when we're styling a space, already have a vision in mind, so allow yourself the grace to just make your mistakes, cheer yourself on, step back, and see what you can do to make that vision come to life. It's also okay if you don't get it the first time. Go the next day. Leave it alone empty and then come back.
When I think about His grace, there's freedom, something like a woman praise. I'm grateful for the loving that you gave. It's so amazing. No matter who we are, we know you'll never change.
This is what I just played around with a little bit. I really do like this. So I have these leaves, which I was going to take this onyx bowl, put it right here, right? Then get this candle and put it inside like that. Okay, maybe put this on a little bit more. And then get the coasters, because we need coasters. And maybe do 2 stacks instead of 1. Is that too much? I think that might be too much on that book. So how about if I put this over a little bit over here, cut a corner, and then do this, do this. That's not bad. What about if I move this book over a little bit, have some breathing room here, and move this back a little bit. That is not bad at all. And then so a couple of things. I did not change the flowers. I'm still using fresh flowers, but I also have these, remember? Do you think I should go this? I think I should change the flowers out to this deeper one. And let's see how this stone piece look if I remove this. Remove that. I also have this as well. That's not bad. Just because of the shape and the size of it, that's not bad. I think the onyx one was too small. Okay, so this could be something. This could be something as well. Ooh. Ooh. I feel like my table is shaking. There we go. There we go. Ooh, that's nice. Now I'm torn between this one and that one. But with the candle, guys, I think that's it. Okay, so let me change the flowers out and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so of course this is the lamp, and I have this credenza behind my sofa, and I don't have a, the plug is over here, so just to, if I had to plug it in, somebody will fall. So like I mentioned in the last video, I'm going to take out the bulb that came with it. Just for reference, here's the lamp. Love it so much. And I'm going to take it out. So I ordered bulbs from Amazon. It came like this. This is called the Bay Larch Wireless Rechargeable. And I already charged it up. It came with the charger already. And then, so I charged it up for like overnight. So here it is right here. And it has a little port right here to charge. It also came with the remote as well. I'm going to see how to get it set it, because you have, hold up, little options on it. Alright, so this is the remote right here, and it has natural light, which is the middle one, warm white, which is this one right here, the WW, and CW stand for daylight, and it comes with an instruction that you can just set it how you want to set it up. So it works, but honestly, I've seen where other people literally just cut off the plug on the lamp. I'm not going to cut the plug off because I'm always changing things up. The good thing about this lamp is that I can push a lot of the wire back inside the lamp itself right here, so it won't be much hanging loose. So just in case I move it around to somewhere else where there's a plug or something, I have the option to do so. So it only goes this far because it has, hold up, can this thing be adjusted? Hold on, let me see. I don't think it can be though. No. So yeah, that's the way that is. So I'm gonna have some loose wires right here, but hey, maybe I can push it back in the sofa, because no, I'm just gonna neatly, I'll probably put it somewhere down here like this. I'll fix that later, but at least this is done. And I'm going to figure out how to put on a timer and everything like that. So that's this. And let's move on to the next area. Tell me below if you guys going to try getting an LED rechargeable bulb and take out your regular bulb and use that instead of like kind of a timer, motion sensor. You're watching TV, it comes on. Just a little mood setter, you know what I mean? That's what I'm talking about. This is the existing curtain that I have this side, right? And I'm trying to play around with the new one. So I still have to fix the top. But do you see the difference in how it looks? More elevated, perfect length. I just gotta play with the top a little bit. And this is very casual, wrong measurement, clearly, and it looks very sloppy. So here's the new drapery install that I got from Amazon. I love it so much. Automatic, instantly elevation, right length, right pleat, right texture. Everything about this is so beautiful.